Originally, I was a fan of the VL turbos ever since my grandfather owned a Calais turbo from new. And when I was looking around to buy a car, I was initially looking around at Calais turbos, but I also liked the Brock Group A. It was always a favourite car, you know, from my school days. So initially, when I was looking around, I had found a few Brock turbo cars and was considering a few different options at the time, and ended up my first VL was a Group A. After it got stolen, it was about 6 months later, I came across this car, and that's about 18.5 years ago. The Corsas were based off either SL or Bellina. This one's a Bellina-based car. So essentially they had the same options list as the Calais-based LE. I believe there are 13 Corsas. The breakdown that I know of would be 6 3-litre naturally aspirated ones and 7 turbos. I don't know that they all still exist, but out of the 7 turbos I've come across 6 of them, say in the last 10 years or so. And the 3-litre ones I've only come across probably 3 of those, so where the remaining cars are I don't know. Over the years, I've used it for club super sprints, used it for club drive days, weekends away, show and shines, yeah, pretty much every aspect of club-related life. Some of the other cars, they may move on to be replaced with something else, but yeah, this one's staying forever.
I knew she was the one. The heart's going 1,000,000 miles an hour, the mouth's dry. It's love, mate. Pure and simple. In '71, this was the fastest 4-door car in the world. Back then you could pick one up for a bit over $4,000. Insurance, it's got to be Shannon's.
No one knows your passion like Shannon's. And with our multi-vehicle discount, you can even cover your daily drive. So call Shannon's on 13 46 46. Shannon's, insurance for motoring enthusiasts.